Good morning, students. Let us now next see about the linear method of division. Now, in this linear method of division, we are taking the first example 2m square minus 3m plus 10 divided by m minus 5. Now, the first term of the divisor 2m is 2m square and the first term of the dividend is 2m square and first term of the divisor is m. So, you get 2m square upon m is equal to 2m. Now, multiply this 2m with the divisor m minus 5. So, what you get here 2m square minus 10m. Now, this second term minus 10m which you get, just opposite of that is plus 10m. So, what you do here, write down the dividend 2m square minus 3m plus 10, this is equal to 2m into m minus 5, that is divisor, and here you see here we got minus 10m. So, here you will add plus 10m and then the second and the third term you will write down as it is minus 3m plus 10. So, this becomes now 2m into m minus 5, 10m minus 3m is 7m plus 10. Now, here the second term is 7m. Again divide this 7m with the first term of the divisor, that is m, you get it equal to 7. Multiply this 7 with the divisor 7m minus 5, you get the answer 7m minus 35. So, here see now the second term is minus 35, opposite of minus 35 is what? Plus 35. So, add it here plus 35. So, this is equal to 2m into m minus 5 plus 7 into m minus 5 plus 35 plus 10. So, this is 2m plus, so here in the first and the second term 2m plus 7 is common. So, write down 2m plus 7 in one bracket and in the second bracket here the common m minus 5 we write down. So, 35 plus 10 is how much? 45. So, now here we get dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So, now here the quotient is 2m plus 7 and the remainder is 45. Now, see the second sum. In the second sum here we are dividing x raised to power 4 minus plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 divided by x plus 2. Now, here the first term of the dividend is x raised to power 4, first term of the divisor is x. So, x raised to power 4 divided by x is equal to x cube. So, x cube into divisor x plus 2, this is equal to x raised to power 4 plus 2x cube. So, now here the second term is what? Plus 2x cube. Opposite of plus 2x cube is minus 2x cube. So, what we will do here, dividend you write down on the left hand side, put equal to sign, then write down x cube into this divisor x plus 2, and then here I told you this is plus 2x cube. So, here you will write down minus 2x cube, and then the remaining terms of the divisor dividend you write down plus 2x cube plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now, here minus 2x cube plus 2x cube cancels and then here you will get this is equal to x cube into x plus 2 plus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Now, this again, now see here the next term is here 3x square. So, 3x square divided by the first term of the divisor is how much? 3x. So, 3x square upon x is 3x. So, multiply 3x with x plus 2. So, this is equal to 3x square plus 6x. Okay. So, now the opposite of 6x is again what? Minus 6x. So, here after writing down this one x cube into x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2, here what you will write down? Minus 3x plus 4x plus 5. So, now this is equal to x cube into x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2 minus 4x plus 5. So, now minus 4x upon x is equal to minus 4. So, now here this minus 4 again you multiply with the divisor x plus 2, you get it equal to minus 4x minus 8. So, now here opposite of this one, second term is here now minus 8. So minus 8 means here what you will write down now, plus 8 you will write. So here this becomes x cube into x plus 2 plus 3x into x plus 2 minus 4 into x plus 2, and then this is plus 8 you will write down, and here 5 is already there. So 5 plus 8 is equal to 13. Now in these three terms x plus 2 is common. So x plus 2 you take out common. In the first bracket you will get x cube plus 3x minus 4 into x plus 2 plus 13. So therefore the quotient is x cube plus 3x minus 4 and remainder is equal to 30. Okay, now next we will see about the value of the polynomial. If in a polynomial, if the variable is replaced by a number, then we get the value of that polynomial. For example, if we replace x by 2 in the polynomial x plus 7, then we get x plus 2 plus 7 is equal to 9, which is the value of that polynomial. So if p, the function of x, is a polynomial in x, then the value of the polynomial for x is equal to a is written as p is the function of a. Now find the value of the polynomial p equal to 2x square minus 3x plus 5 for x is equal to 2. Now polynomial p is given by 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Put x is equal to 2 in the given polynomial, so that becomes value of the p. So we have to find out the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. So instead of x, wherever x is there, substitute 2. So value of the, so this left hand side you have to read it as value of the polynomial at x is equal to 2. This is equal to 2 into 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 5. So 2 into 4 minus 6 plus 5. So 8 minus 6 plus 5. 8 minus 6 is 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. Now second one is find the value of the polynomial equal to 2y cube minus 2y plus root 7 for y equal to minus 2. So wherever y is there, substitute minus 2. So value of the polynomial p at minus 2 is equal to 2 into minus 2 cube minus 2 into minus 2 plus root 7. So this is 2 into minus 8 minus 2 into minus 2 plus root 7. So minus 16 plus 4 plus root 7, that is minus 12 plus root 7. So for y is equal to minus 2, the value of the polynomial is minus 12 plus root 7. Now the third example you see here, find out the value of the polynomial p at x is equal to 0. So wherever x is there, substitute 0. So this becomes 2 into 0 square minus 0 cube plus 0 plus 2. So 2 into 0 plus 2. So this is equal to 2. Now see this practice set. Now see practice set 3.4. For x is equal to 0, find the value of x square minus 5x plus 5. Now represent that polynomial with the function p. P, the function of x, is equal to x square minus 5x plus 5. So wherever x is there, substitute 0. So this is 0 square minus 5 into 0 plus 5. So this is equal to 5. So the value of the polynomial at x is equal to 0 is 5. Now if find the value of the polynomial at p equal to 3 root 2. So wherever y is there, substitute 3 root 2. So denote the polynomial by p, the function of y, is equal to y square minus 3 root y root 2y plus 1. So p, the function of 3 root 2, this is equal to 3 root 2 square minus 3 root 2 into 3 root 2 plus 1. Now 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 2. So 3 into 3 is 9 and root 2 into root 2 is 2 plus 1. So 18 minus 18 is 0 and plus 1 is equal to 1. Now if phi, the function of m, this is equal to m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10, then p, the function of a, plus p, the function of value of the polynomial at minus a, you have to find out. Now the polynomial p, the function of m, we denote it as m cube plus 2m square minus m plus 10. So the value of the polynomial at m is equal to a, this is equal to a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10. So, and value of the polynomial p at m is equal to minus a, this is equal to minus a cube plus 2 into minus a square minus of minus a plus 10. So this is equal to minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. So here when you add both of them, here you get the answer. Substitute wherever this is the values of 2. So this becomes a cube plus 2a square minus a plus 10 minus a cube plus 2a square plus a plus 10. So a cube minus a cube cancels. 2a square plus 2a square is 4a square and 10 plus 10 is 20. So this is the value of the polynomial. Now fourth one, polynomial p, the function of y, is equal to 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. Find the value of the polynomial p at 2. So value of polynomial p is given by 2y cube minus 6y square minus 5y plus 7. So wherever y is there, substitute 2. So this is 2 into 2 cube minus 6 into 2 square minus 5 into 2 plus 7. So 2 8s are 6, 2 cube is 8 minus 6 into 4 minus 10 plus 7. So 16 minus 24 minus 10 plus 7. So this is equal to minus 11.